Ta-da! I'm back! Mr. Sid here with a big book about Daddy who snores. Do you know what snoring is? Like that, right? Maybe you've heard somebody in the middle of the night making sounds like that while they're sleeping. In this case, it's Daddy. And this book was written by Nancy Rothstein and illustrated by Gilpin. My Daddy Snores. Now it's kind of a big book, so I'm going to have to hold it open funny. Bear with me in case it flops around, okay? My Daddy Snores. Here we go. On Monday, Daddy's snore boomed like a dinosaur's roar. The windows rattled, the walls trembled. So, Mommy played musical beds. Poor Mommy, she can't sleep next to him. She tried sleeping in my bed, but I hogged the blanket. She tried sleeping in Natalie's crib, but it broke. On Tuesday, Daddy's snore rumbled like an earthquake. It shook Mommy right out of the bed. So, she slept in the bathtub. But the faucet dripped water on her head all night long. Drip, 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 drip. What comes after Tuesday? We had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. On Wednesday, Daddy's snore chugged like a freight train. Choo-choo! Chugga, 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 choo-choo! So, Mommy slept in Hammy's cage. But she was too squished, and it smells funny. I love that one. What comes after Wednesday? Thursday. On Thursday, Daddy's snore buzzed like a bumblebee. So Mommy slept in the doghouse. What comes after Thursday? You got it. Friday. Oh, sorry. The poor Rover didn't sleep a wink. He howled instead loudly. Ow, ow! Now comes Friday. On Friday, Daddy's snore whistled like a teapot. So this time, Mommy made Daddy sleep in Splishy's bowl. But even Daddy's bubbles snored loudly. That wasn't fair to Splishy at all. What comes after Friday? Saturday. On Saturday, Daddy's snore honked like a truck. Mommy had a great idea. She made Daddy sleep in our tent. But he woke up all the birds. Then the birds woke us up, and it was not a great idea after all. On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like a zombie having a bad hair day. No more snoring, she yelled. She took Daddy to the doctor, and the doctor helped to cure Daddy's snoring. What's Mommy doing in the picture? Getting some well-deserved rest. On Sunday night, Daddy didn't snore. Our whole house was quiet. Mommy slept, I slept, Natalie slept, Rover and Splishy and Hammy the hamster slept. Until Daddy started talking in his sleep. Thanks! I'd love more ice cream! The end. You can't cure everything. I hope you love this book as much as I do. Let me hear you say it. I love this book. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you on our next round of read-alouds. Bye, everybody.